Hello everyone, my name is Abhiksha Parida. I am an occupational therapist specialized in the pediatric population. I've been working with special care since the last 5 years, and I have seen various kids of different age groups, and I've seen kids with autism spectrum disorders, with ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, intellectual disabilities, and many more cases. So, as we know that stress and anxiety are like they are part of everyone's life. Though, so people go through stress and anxiety at some points in their life, and especially during these times of pandemic, the stress, anxiety, overwhelmment, frustration. These are very common among people and also among children. And stress and anxiety have a negative impact on a person's physical as well as mental well-being. So we must have some strategies to relax ourselves whenever we are feeling overwhelmed or stressed out. So when it comes to relaxation strategies that we can use, so the mindful breathing exercises or pranayam is a age-old technique which is very useful and which is very effective to relax our brain, and it also has multiple other benefits. So mindful breathing exercises is something that like it helps you to go from a reactive state. Whenever we are stressful or we are angry, we go into a sudden reactful state. Okay, so mindful breathing exercises, if we practice it regularly, it helps us to go from a reactive state to a responsive state where we can think clearly to respond. Okay, instead of reacting angrily, or instead of getting overly stressed in any kind of stressful situations. So is mindful breathing exercises helpful for kids? Yes, definitely yes. It not just helps them to relax or to calm down. It also has the multiple other benefits for the kids as well. Mindful breathing exercises, if the kids will practice regularly, it helps them to better focus. It helps to improve their attention span. It also helps to improve their problem solving skills, their memory, and their thinking processing skills. All these things are improved if kids also practice mindful breathing exercises. Okay, so but the thing is that kids are mostly on the go, so they will not like mindful breathing exercises, something that they will do that slow big breathing exercises. They are not usually ready to do that. If you ask them that you have to come and sit at a place and do the mindful breathing exercises, the kids usually do not listen to it. So for that reason, I have made this video. In this video I have talked about some very easy and simple breathing exercises that you can easily teach your kids, and they are in a fun way, in a playful way, so the kids will love to do that. Okay, so let's begin. So the first technique is cupcake breathing. Okay, so what is the cupcake breathing? Like for those who can imagine, kids who are old enough to imagine, you say that like pretend that here is a cupcake in my hand. Okay, and I'm smelling it. Take smelling it, breathing in through our nose with 5 counts. Okay, I'm smelling the cupcake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'll blow out the candle on top of the cupcake. Okay, so this is the cupcake breathing technique. The next is the bubble breathing technique. Okay, so how you will do that? You'll ask that, just imagine that you are holding a wand, that bubble wand in your hand. Okay, and you are going to big a big bubble, and kids love the bubbles. Okay, so you breathe in through your nose, counting 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then breathe out, making a big bubble through that hole. And then repeat, and you can practice all of these techniques for 5 minutes or as long as it takes for you to get calm. Now the next technique is 5-finger technique. Okay, so what you will do, just spread out your fingers like this, and you have to use the index finger of your other hand. Okay, so you can start from here or from here, from anywhere. You have to breathe in and go up, breathe out and go down. Okay, so we'll start from here. Okay, I'll be starting from my little finger. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Wow. This is an awesome technique. Your kids are going to love it, and this is really helpful to relax them. Okay, and you can repeat as long as you want to relax yourself. So now let's start our shape breathing. Ask your kids to draw any kind of shape on a paper or a board. So I have drawn a rectangle here. Okay, so what you will do, just trace while you breathe. Okay, in, out, in, out. Okay, moving on to the next one is the rainbow breathing technique. Okay, so this is the technique that your kids will love because it involves a lot of colors. Okay, so what you need to do is you have to draw a rainbow. Okay, and then you see I have drawn a rainbow over here, and like I have marked some circles here for every alternate colors. Okay, so this brown circle represents breathing in, and this pink circle represents breathing out. Okay, you have to inhale, go till the end, and exhale and come till here. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. Start from one color outside, breathe in, hold it, and next color, breathe out. Next, again breathe in, hold, breathe out. Next, breathe in and breathe out. So this was the rainbow breathing technique. Now moving on to the last of the technique, it is called the buzzing bee breathing exercise. Okay, so it is a very famous one. How you're gonna do it? First take breath in. Okay, counting till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then close your eyes and mouth and make the humming sound like the buzzing of a bee. Once again, breathe in. So this is also a very awesome technique that really calms down your brain. This is a very useful breathing exercise. So these all are whatever techniques I am talking about. These all are mindful breathing techniques. Okay, the kid has to focus on their breathing, and to help them focus, we are using some other tools like the shape breathing or bubble one, this imagination thing. So this will make the kids like they will be more actively participating because these are fun activities, and it will help them to focus more, and they'll also focus on the breathing as well as on the activity. So since they're focusing on the activity, they will do it easily. I'll be giving you one more tip, is that if whenever there is a situation where you are feeling angry or anxious or stressed out, or your kids are feeling in that way, if you can just breathe in, just in and out for just 3 counts, then you will see how much relaxed you are feeling, how much you can regulate your response if you just breathe for a few counts. Okay, so this is a very useful like breathing exercises are very effective for relaxing your brain and for self-regulation. So these were some of the mindful breathing exercises for children. They are very easy to teach your kids, and also they are playful, so your kids will love to do them. They will love to practice them. So please make sure that you practice 1 or 2 of these exercises every single day. Okay, it is essential to practice it every single day, and you can do it in the early morning. It is advisable because in the early morning, when there is no distraction, this is very effective to apply these exercises. And I've also written an article on all of these breathing exercises that I have talked about today. So do check out the link of the article in the description box, where you can find in written details about all of these exercises. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming up with many more videos on different topics. And also, if you have any topic that you want, then please mention in the comment. I would love to make a video on that topic. Okay, so please mention in the comment box if whatever topics you want. Bye bye.